guys.
Hi guys.
How old are you?
I'm a 2.
And what's your name?
Sensei.
Spencer is 22 months old. Okay, can you sing your ABCs for Daddy?
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Come on, one is like that train. Yay!
Ride the train. It's from that one, Daddy.
Oh, okay.
How about counting for Daddy? Counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
30, not 30, 0. That's good. High five, baby.
30.
Oh, yeah. Okay. What word? Wait. Sit down here.
Sit down, Baba. Sit down.
What is this word?
You.
How about this word?
Me.
How about this word?
Big.
How about...
Boy.
Oh, yeah.
Exit.
Oh, yeah.
Play.
Play.
Me.
This one is me, but this one is
Me.
yeah. Oh, this one.
Love.
Love. How about this one? Wait, I'm not done.
Sensor.
Spencer.
Go.
Awesome.
No.
No. Oh, this one is your word of the day from today. What is it?
Pig.
No. B-U-G. Word of the day.
Big.
Bug.
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 Good job. Bug. What else, Daddy?
I forgot.
Okay,
It's on the TV.
Oh. This one.
Ball.
Ball. How about this one is hard for you?
Says.
Is. Good job. Is that it? Did we forget any? Oh, this one.
Oh yeah. Apple.
Out.
Out.
Out. That was a new one, right? Good job, baby. Okay, how about... How about A is for...
Apple.
What's this letter?
B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish.
For fish.
Fish. D is gorilla.
Can you go this way so Daddy can see you?
H is
Okay.
cat.
Okay, we'll draw it later.
S is hat. I is eagle. J is juice. K is kangaroo. L for lion. N for monkey. N for nose. O is octopus. P for pig. Q for queen.
Queen.
I for ring.
Ring.
Sensor.
S is for Spencer.
Train.
train.
Theodore.
And Theodore. How about this?
V for umbrella. V for van. W is box. X is box.
Has box. What's another word that has X?
Rifle.
Xylophone.
Y for yo-yo. Z for you.
Yay!
Say
High
bye,
five.
everybody.
High five. Good
Bye.
job.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.